Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable game mode for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. And basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. The first one we can use the application, the second one we can use the control. Okay, so let's get started by use the app. You need to open Peats audio application. Of course, you should connect your headphones with the application, and then the application open for you the headphones menu. But if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones at the device list. So right here at the left side we have game mode. To enable it, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it, if the slider have empty background. We just enable game mode, you will also hear voice prompt. To disable game mode, because I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time, with this mode you may have connection instability. So when you play games you can enable it, but then I recommend it to disable it. And to disable it, you need to also tap on time at the slider, but at the slider have colorful background. As I said to you previously, that we can use also the control, and all controls we have at the right headphone, at the bottom of the right headphone. Between volume control buttons, we have multifunctional button. To enable or disable game mode, you need to press and hold, you need to press 3 times at this multifunctional button. So let's check it. 1, 2, 3. I just enable game mode, and you will also hear the voice prompt. To disable it, also press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And I disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.